Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this short video tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how you can transfer your illustration, your book that you created inside of Artistry into Canva so that you can edit it, you can type your script, you can insert the images or pictures that you want inside of Canva that we cannot do inside of Artistry. So that's what I'm doing. Once I finish creating the pages of my book or anything that I want to edit it or add some images inside of that pages, well, I download all of that and then upload it to Canva. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it. Let's do this. We are here in Artistry, so I'm gonna show you guys how you can bring your images into Canva. Okay, so we're going to log in here, the Fast AI Designer. So for example, guys, okay, I'm going to my personal designs. Okay, click that personal designs and you will see here, guys, all the images, the designs of your book. So for the sake of this tutorial, well, I'm gonna get one of the images here, like for example, let's go here to letter A. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download this. Here it is. You're just gonna save it to wherever you want it to save it. So I'm gonna save it for my download, or you can do this, guys. For example, you make all of your books, you can just go here and you can bulk download. Okay, once you finish your bulk download and then it's already in your computer, we're going to Canva. Let's create a size. Okay, let's click this one, and then here you're gonna choose the size of your book or whatever you are making. Okay, custom size. So let's say I'm creating a book like 8.5 by 11. All right, so now this is the size of the book that I'm creating. Okay, so for you guys to upload all the images that you want to add something, you go to here on upload on Canva, click this one, and then you're going to upload the files that you have in your computer that you download from Artistry to the computer. So for example, here are the letters that I just downloaded. Okay, so for example, let's say, okay, I'm gonna click this one and you see here it's going to this page. Okay, you're just gonna stretch this one, guys, just like that. And if you want to add your picture, so what you're gonna do, guys, is you're going to your upload, all right, and then choose the images that you want to add. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna find my picture. Okay, so let's say I want to add this one. I'm just gonna click this one, and then you see here it's inside of this. Okay, so if you have a Pro account, then you can remove the background. If you don't have a Pro account, then you can use other free sites that you can remove the background of this picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove the background. All right, just like that. So you will see, guys, is you can insert any images that you want into your book. Okay, so for example, you have a cartoons. Okay, let me find if I have a cartoons images. So as you see this one, I want to put this into a frame. Okay, so if you want to put this into a frame, you click the elements and then type here, search for the frames. All right, so I want to put this into this maybe, okay, I'm gonna put this into the circle frame. Okay, I'm gonna put this one and I'm just gonna drag my picture over here. All right, just drag it and it will shape on the shape that you want or the frame that you want. You can click the see all so you can see other frames here. So now I can resize this. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger. So let's say I'm smaller. I'm gonna put here my, okay, let's say I'm gonna put here, so that's my name. I'm just gonna put here. All right, so for example, this is just only a photo, a real photo of me. So if you want to put some of your images like animation or something like that, well, you can also get the animation or whatever you created in Artistry. You just upload it to Canva. Okay, so for example, I want to put this letter A. Okay, I want to put this one. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is of course I want to erase the background. Okay, let's erase the background. I just want the letter A and the alligator. There you go. So, and as you see, guys, just the images. Okay, you can put it here, and then let's go to letter B. Okay, remove the background. There you go. And then you just resize this one, and you can put it here. All right, and then let's go to see. The one thing that I want to share with you guys, before I remove the background of this, you can just do like this, and you can always change the this one. Okay, so if you don't want this white background for the C is for cat, what you're gonna do is you're going to click the edit. Okay, we're gonna edit this one, and then here on the edit, under the edit, you will see the magic eraser. Okay, but you can only use this if you have a pro account. You see there is a crown here, guys. So if you have a pro account, well, you can use this magic eraser. But if you are using the free account in Canva, you cannot use this. Maybe you can use other application and then erase this and then bring it back to Canva. Okay, so I'm gonna click the magic eraser, and then I'm gonna click, okay, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so I'm just going to erase this, all of this, and then click erase, and let's wait for a second. Okay, see, now if you want to type the script of your, because Artistry, we can't do that inside of Artistry. That's why I'm showing you guys that you need to upload all your all your pages here, so that you can change it, or you can add your script. So to do that, you're going to click the fonts, or whatever fonts you want. Let's say I'm gonna do this, and then you're gonna just drag it where you want to type your script. And then here there are fonts here, then you can just choose the fonts that you want. So let's say, okay, so let's say for example, C is for cat, just like that. Okay, you can change this, you can change the color, this one here. You can change the color of the letters of your script. You just play around, guys. So I'm showing you that you can do this. And then if you want to put this into like kind of bubble speech, and just type bubble speech like this. There you go. So here is the bubble speech images. You click the all, and let's find the bubbles that doesn't have a crown, because if you don't have a pro account, you cannot use this. So let's say this one. All right, this one, there's no crown, so this is free, guys. You can use this. It depends if you wanna put into the bubbles. All right, so let's say this one. I'm just gonna put it here. I'm just gonna make this one. Let's make a little bit bigger. If you want, you can play around with this, guys, just like that. All right, so you can always create your speech bubble. So if you don't need this, you can just delete this one, and then just put your type your script here. Okay. All right, so this is all made inside of Artistry. So you can just do like this, and then you can, if you want to put your real picture over here, there you go. All you gotta do is just to create an images inside of Artistry, whatever animation, or any design or style of your picture, and then after that you go to Canva and upload it, and then you can just do like this. Then if you want, you're gonna add another page, then go to your upload, and then upload you upload again another page, for example this one. Okay, you're just gonna drag it here, there. Okay, there you go. And you can add any images that you want, like what I showed you guys. So this is how you can create your own script. You can write your own script. I know it is a lot of work, but that's how I'm doing it when I want to change any script, or make change a little bit of the design, because we cannot change that inside of Artistry. So I'm gonna go to Canva and edit it and change what I want. All right, so this is how you can do it, guys. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope this short tutorial helps you to create your own script using Canva. All right, so that's all for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.